Hello, and welcome to a new video with a new learning journey. In this new video, I would like to share a comprehensive overview of poultry farming. First, I will start with the definition of poultry farming. Poultry farming refers to raising domesticated birds such as chickens, ducks, turkeys, and geese for their meat, eggs, or feathers. It is one of the most efficient and widely practiced forms of livestock farming. This plays a critical role in global agriculture and food production. Poultry farming is a source of high-quality protein and a significant contributor to rural livelihoods and economies worldwide. Now, let's see the significance of poultry farming. Poultry farming plays a vital role in agriculture and food production. First, economic contribution. Poultry farming generates significant revenue through the sale of poultry products like eggs and meat. Then, employment opportunities. The industry provides employment for millions worldwide, contributing substantially to local economies. Most importantly, nutritional value. Eggs and chicken meat are rich sources of protein, vitamins, and minerals essential for human health. Now, let's talk about the global trends and opportunities in the poultry industry. The global poultry industry has experienced remarkable growth over the past few decades. It is driven by increasing demand for poultry products, advancements in farming technology, and the adaptability of the industry to changing consumer preferences. Here are some key trends and opportunities. First of all, rising demand for protein. As the global population grows, so does the demand for affordable protein sources. Poultry meat and eggs are among the most cost-effective and widely consumed protein sources worldwide. Then, shift towards sustainable practices. Consumers are increasingly prioritizing sustainably produced food. This has led to a rise in free-range and organic poultry farming. This focuses on animal welfare and environmental sustainability. Moreover, technological advancements, innovations in automation, biosecurity, and feed efficiency have transformed the poultry industry. This enables higher productivity and reduced operational costs. And, emerging markets. Developing countries, particularly in Asia and Africa, are witnessing rapid growth in poultry production and consumption. This presents significant opportunities for investment and expansion. Let me share a real-life success example. The UK poultry industry is a prime example of how innovation and sustainability can drive growth. According to the British Poultry Council, the UK produces over 1 billion chickens annually, contributing significantly to the nation's food security. The industry has also embraced free-range and organic farming practices, catering to consumer demand for ethically produced food. I believe this part of the section has provided a quick overview of poultry farming. I will talk more about the poultry industry in the next videos. Till then, good luck and stay connected.